Yes, sir. We back. The time is 5 o'clock. Beginning of the dinner shift. We about to run it up, man. Good start to the day. We got $8.50 for 5.6 miles. And ooh, I know it's some hidden tips on this one, boy. It's at Pepper Jack's Grill. It's taking me to my zone. First order of the dinner shift. Let's go. You never want to start off your shift having to call support because they send you to the wrong address. But in this scenario, it actually worked in my favor. I was able to see the full amount of the order and I received half pay for going to the wrong address. So it made my dinner shift start out to a good start. Yes, sir. Let's go. $8.50 what was shown. $12.75 what we got. $4.25 Doordash here from me, man. It don't make no sense. And you know what the best part is? I had to call support. They sent me to the wrong address. Hey, for going to the wrong address, I got 19 bucks for that order. Hey, it's the Dashing Trader from the future. Look, I know you probably watching these videos. You know, you enjoying it. You enjoying yourself. You probably get a few laughs, right? I bet you forgot to subscribe, but guess what? I got you. Boom! Go ahead, hit that right there. Let's check back. DoorDash coming through. I got my next order. We heading on over to Qdoba. We got $6.50 for 3.1 miles. And I'm gonna tell you right now, like I always say, it's less than that. It's bringing me back to the zone, man. That last order was a far delivery. It was a lot of pay on it, so I don't mind. But now I got me an order that's perfect, bringing me right back to my work area. So I'm getting paid for every mile that I'm driving. It got 4 items. Possibility for a hidden tip. Qdoba, $6.50, 3.1 miles, but it's really like one. Let's get it done. Eric H. Thank you. You too, thanks. Alrighty, so got that second one done. That gives us a total of 25 something for the first hour. Anytime you can get 25 for your first hour of work, you setting your night off or your day off to a good pace. So what? I got order number 3 already. We checking in at Potbelly Sandwich Shop. Somebody wants them a Fat Boy sandwich, so we gonna go ahead and hook them up. And I'm about to activate with my next order, which is order number 4, right here at McDonald's. As you see, they both going in the same direction. So we got $8 for 4.5 miles. It's probably gonna be something hidden on there because, you know, with that distance, they usually will offer you less. Thanks. Okay, Grubhub coming through. So as I was pulling up a Grubhub delivery, they decided to bless me with an add-on. So you know I had to snatch it up. Just got my next order, $5.50 for a little over 3 miles, but I'm a little bit out of my zone. I'm a couple miles away. So this actually is gonna bring me back to my zone. And once I get back over there, it's really like less than a mile away from the restaurant. So nice little order to bring me back. $5.50, you know, so no hidden tips on this one, but that's okay because this will bring me back to the zone order. So let's get it done. Thank you.
Good, how are you?
For Kennedy.
Yep.
Let's go, I'm running it up. I got my next order already, right back at Teriyaki Madness. We got $11.25 for 8.8 miles. But check this out. If it was like less than $8, I wouldn't accept it, but I know how DoorDash operates. They hiding tips. I know it's gonna be something hidden on this one. How do I know? Because they don't want to show you the full amount. If it was less than 10 bucks, they would only show me 10 bucks. You know, if it was less money than the amount of miles it is, they would show me 1-to-1 mile to money ratio. And that's it. So they showing me 11.25, I know it's more. So we finna get this one done, and it's all highway miles. You know, I'm tracking my miles, so I get paid for that too. So we gonna get this one done. Ooh, they be smoking. If you wanna know how to find hidden tips, follow your boy. I'm trying to give you game, man. I'm trying to help y'all out. Cause look, I told you that one said $11.25, $14.50 is what we got. That means DoorDash here $3.25 on the tip. Ridiculous, but hey, I ain't worried about it because I know how to spot them. Alrighty, so I just got my next order. We're gonna be checking in right here at Little Caesars. We got a nice order on this one. It might be a fat little tip on this one because we got $6.50 for 1 mile and it's 10 items. I don't know if that's 10 pizzas or if it's like some crazy bread and stuff, but if it's showing me $6.50, it's gonna be something hidden on there because for 1 mile, they have, you know, DoorDash has no incentive in showing me that much, so they had to have showed me that much, so it must be something hidden. We're gonna get it done.
Yeah, it's not doing that today, so maybe he's gonna go try to sell some automobiles this weekend.
One bag there.
I like your hat.
Oh, thank you. Yes, sir. We are making a good pace tonight. $6.50 what was shown for that last order. $11 is what we got. Alrighty, so just got my next order. Starting off this 4th hour of dashing, we got $8 for 6 miles, but it's not really 6 miles. That's a little bit of that distance is me getting back to my area coming off of this highway. So it's really like $8 for 4 miles. You know how it go, my motto, keep the wheels rolling for sure. Let's get it. We got our next order, $8 for 5 miles right here at Pizza Hut. I don't mind this because I know when I get there it's gonna be ready. It's a pizza order, and I got my pizza bag. I'm ready to go. Check me out, nigga. I stay ready. I stay ready. Let's get it. Alrighty, got my last 2 orders of the night. We got Casey's and Teriyaki Madness. We got a stack coming in on Doordash. $11.75 for 10 miles, but check this out. You know I wouldn't take this unless it was taking me back home, and you know it, yes. This is gonna be my last one for the evening, and we're gonna finish it up right there. $11.75 for 10 miles, taking me back to the crib. Let's get it done. I appreciate you. You did? What you think? Tell me what I can improve on.
No tips, no trip.
Yes, we don't play. Also got some peanut butter crispy bites.
Peanut butter crispy bites gets you excited.
What is that? There you go, sir. No problem. You have a good one.
Thank you very much.
No problem. You have a good evening. So we did 12 deliveries on DoorDash. Not bad. Couple good tips on a few of them. Did it in 3.5 hours total for $100.92. Not bad. Even snuck in these orders, bringing our total to $116.66 for an hourly total of $33.33. Awesome. Now let's do it again tomorrow.